My name is David Oliveira, and I'm the Business Administrator for the Piscataway Township Board of Education. Welcome to the first in a series of videos about renovations and upgrades to the Piscataway Township Schools that will benefit our students and staff, and in the long run, the entire community. Today, we're looking at the fresh paint jobs and installation of interactive Promethean boards in 4 of our schools during the summer of 2025. Quibbletown Middle School, Shore Middle School, Martin Luther King Intermediate School, and Eisenhower Elementary School. This is part of a multi-year effort to give all of our schools these upgrades. The process began last summer with the painting of classrooms and installation of Promethean boards at Arbor Intermediate School and Grandview Elementary School. Next summer, we plan to complete all of the K-8 schools with the installation of Promethean boards at Kanakamak Middle School, Knollwood Elementary School, and Randolphville Elementary School. Promethean boards, for those who don't know, are interactive big screens used in classrooms in place of or in addition to traditional chalkboards, dry erase whiteboards, or projectors. They offer teachers a wide range of options for using technology to engage and enlighten students of all grade levels.
I know. Let's clap it up.
Our Promethean board technology is really expanding all the capabilities of our classrooms. Students are engaging with the boards in ways that, we never even envisioned before.
Well, the teachers are really absolutely loving the new Promethean boards in the classroom because they are interactive. They allow the students to go up and to share their screens, especially in the math classes. They can go up as a team, they can work on the board, everything is interactive. It shows up on the iPads, and the teachers absolutely love it.
Being a math teacher, I have 5 or 6 different apps open at one time. We're going from one to another, but it's been very seamless. I'm having a bunch of different things open at the same time. It's been a really cool thing to just have and just be fast and be able to do things quickly.
Well, I can tell you there's a lot of excitement in the building. Teachers are very excited because of the resources, and they can then bring more engaging activities and lessons to the students. And the students find it interactive, right? Our kids are so highly proficient with technology. They come in, they see something, wow, it's something new, and it's really improved all the lessons that they've been having so far.
A lot of the teachers, when I was asking favorite feature, they like the spinner because the spinner is, they can put the spinner on for selecting students for volunteering. The surprise for the kids are like, who's going to be selected, and it's almost like Wheel of Fortune. So it's fun for them, and then the kids are really into that, seeing the name go around, like, where's it going to stop? Where's it going to stop?
We'll see who's going first. You can pick whatever one you want. Remember, you just tap it and then you drag. Come on, there we go. Oh, Mr. Krabs! Who's come on? Just the speed of being able to do things. I do things a lot, really fast, and I do a lot of things at once. I mean, my tabs are 15 different tabs open with the kids at all times. I love the accessibility.
Even the teachers that might be not so technically sound, they've embraced it and used it. We have wonderful teaching staff here, so they're supporting one another.
Our teachers over the summer went to Promethean board trainings, and they learned a lot about what resources they have available. So it's an excellent, excellent resource, and so far we love it, and the kids love it too. I think that the students really love to just get up and play teacher. All students love that, so I think that's the most fascinating feature of it.
You know what I think of when I think of manhole and an entrance? Do you ever see Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
Yeah.
Right? So can you picture where they come out of the ground? Yes, that's like a manhole. Super cool. It helps me keep students engaged, helps me transition from slides to videos to read-alouds. Today, a student didn't have a page in the workbook for some reason. I was able to print it right from the screen, right there. I didn't have to leave, I didn't have to go to my computer. It didn't interrupt instruction at all. Right? Now it looks like a little butterfly. Good job, Kavani.
They're setting up truly a collaborative environment where there really are no limitations to the possibilities.
It was a natural fit that while we were installing these Promethean boards that we took time to give the classrooms and other areas of these schools fresh paint jobs. These bright, clean classrooms, gyms, and other spaces create a welcoming learning environment and send a message to our students that their school values them. It encourages the students to care about their schools and to look forward to coming to class.
The building looks great. I give a special shout out to grounds, maintenance, everyone in the district that has played a part.
One of the things that you hope for when you are running a school building is having students coming into environments that feel comfortable, that feel welcoming, that feel like they can really maximize what they're trying to do every day, which is to learn.
I mean, you should see the excitement, and everybody's like, oh, it looks so beautiful, it looks so clean, it looks so bright. And that's just shining through even in their teaching. You know, I mean, you walk through, they take pride in their classrooms. Not that they didn't, but it's something about a fresh, clean coat of paint, a brand new boards, 2 whiteboards. I mean, everybody is like really gun-ho this year, and I'm excited about it.
The floors are polished and waxed. The walls are nice and clean and painted, freshly painted. You got brand new technology in the classroom. Makes you feel good coming to work and coming to school.
We hope this look inside the work being done in our schools has been enlightening. Watch for more of these videos showing how upgrades to our facilities and learning environments help to inspire the next generation of our Piscataway community.